Former Google exec Anthony Levandowski was hit with 33 counts of theft and attempted theft of trade secrets, and then selling them to Uber, which is currently in competition with Google over the creation of self-driving vehicles. The indictment is an offshoot of a lawsuit filed by Waymo, a spinoff from Google that has excelled in self-driving technology. Uber agreed to pay Waymo $245 million to settle that case. The fancy features that come with your new car might be a little more annoying than useful. A new study found many drivers disable features like advanced driver assistance systems because the alerts are just bothersome. 61% of drivers said they were annoyed by lane keeping and censoring systems and sometimes disabled that feature. Some drivers said they wouldn't want that nannying technology on their future vehicles at all. Earth's oceans have made it the perfect environment for biodiversity, but a new study suggests that it may not actually have the best conditions in the galaxy. The study suggests that exoplanets that have favorable ocean circulation patterns could be better suited to support a wide range of life than Earth, which is dependent, of course, upon the upward flow of the oceans, which brings back the nutrients from the deepest part of the ocean to the top, where photosynthetic life is abundant. And that's tonight's Check This Out. Bob Fryer, Fox 35 News.